Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Got a viewer here by the name of Tom. He sent me his Cobra valve cover. He wants me to custom fit one of my oil baffles to go in it. So, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to get a game plan together here and then we'll rough something out on the lathe. I'm taking much shallower cuts on this one because this bottom piece is so thin. I don't want to just rip it off of there. Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. It's raining pretty good outside. So I got this one done for the Cobra valve cover here. So this one does end up being a little bit thinner than the style that fits the stock valve cover, but I mean either one would work. And I may actually just start making them this way because obviously it saves material. So here we go. Just looking inside, you can see on the Cobra the distance between the breather tube and the valve cover is much shorter. And the breather tube does extend into the filler neck a little bit there. So here I just made this one, and then it fits in there nice and pretty. No problem. Plenty of room, as you can see. So this is for my friend Tom, viewer. And I hope this works out for you, buddy. I'm gonna get this shipped out for you tomorrow. And guys, these are available on my website, thisoldfarmshop.com. I've got several ready to ship out. I've got all these ready to ship out now. And there's 3 more in the works. They're not quite done yet. So I'm making them as fast as I can. So if you're interested in one, I've sold about 8 or 10 of them so far, and people seem pretty happy with them. Like I say, thisoldfarmshop.com. We can hook you up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.